how to enable or disable text messages direct replied from the lock screen on the iPhone. So first let's return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, tap on settings. Then in settings, I'll go back to the main settings page, and then we scroll down and tap on, so we'll go in and tap on Face ID and passcode. Now enter the current passcode. Then scroll down, and in here you want to turn on reply with message. If you want to disable that feature, you can switch it off, otherwise switch it on. When you turn it on and when you receive a text message, you can respond to it directly from your lock screen. In here, so I've got a text message, I can touch and hold onto that, and then I can reply back. And then just tap on the send button to send your reply directly from your lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.